Imagine a website builder like Loveable that actually lives on your own server, where you don't actually have to leave your website to edit it. You know how when you build a website and then it has your website.com/, let's say, admin? Now that's exactly the same over here. Have a look at this. This is my website. When I go /Shelisite, excuse me, this is where you end up. This is the website builder that built this website. It's so funny because it's quite ironic because we use the website built by itself to try and sell the thing. So as you can see, we're comparing Shelisite to Loveable. And over here, you have the comparison. So let me just take you to the actual website, shelisite.com, just to show you what we're comparing here. So it's on your own server. You build your own website as you wish to. It's completely your choice, colors, CSS, and you have full control. You can actually edit the files online. I actually should show you that right now. If you go to the actual Shelisite builder, you can click on this button here and it will take you to the database, and then you can actually see the actual HTML, which is fantastic. And then you can integrate with things. I just do want to say something. Loveable is better for backend because it uses Supabase, and this doesn't have a backend. This is only for front end only. This will allow you to create portfolio style websites, which of course you can edit, and it will allow you to use JavaScript. Let me show you some other websites that were built with this. Here's a real estate website, and Solations, our actual homepage with all our different apps. As you can see, Shelisite is just one of them, and we have many more apps. So as you can see, you can kind of do what you want to do with Shelisite. You can actually add more pages like who are we and contact us, and of course it's mobile friendly. So when you go to a mobile phone, you get a mobile menu and it looks fantastic. So it's basically more of a portfolio, like a simple type of website. So don't rely on it to build crazy things, even though it can build games as we've done in the past. Let me show you an example of that, where it built a game. So we made a photographer portfolio site. We asked for it to be light themed. And as you can see, we asked it to build a Tetris game just to see if it could do it. And of course, it managed to do it fantastically. So it does have some superpowers as well. And so that's, once you buy this kit, you can actually build as many websites as you want without paying anything. There's no subscription fees. You just buy it once and it's yours. All you do is you drop the files in one go to your directory, and then you are able to start editing. It's so simple. You just take the files that you have, that you are given. These are the files you're given when you purchase the kit. You just drop them in like that, and you finished. It's all going to work just like that. The website will start working straight away, right off the bat. If you want more information, go to shelisite.com and it will take you to the instructions video where you can see in 15 minutes how we built an unbelievable website. And you can do that for all of your different websites. You just drop it in, create the website. It's all yours forever. No recurring fees. Fantastic. Follow us for more.